Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Royale High API. So first of all, make sure you have Node.js and Python installed. You'll search in Google for Puppeteer. And then after that, you're gonna want to open your terminal and clone the repository. Just like that. And then copy this command to install Puppeteer. And then install the requirements. Right, then go install the requirements. And then here's testing. This is how you test if the scraper work or not. So just open the terminal again and then we'll put 0. This means you're fetching page number 0. And then here you go, it returns this. So it's working. And then to start the Quart server, just type Quart run. And then you can just go to the endpoint here and it will start scraping this. So it might take a little while because the items endpoint is it returns all items. So it might lag a little bit depending on your system. Oh, there we go. It's fetching finally. So you can also change how many pages it scrapes at once within the config file. So here it's scraping 20 pages at once. So that's why it's a bit laggy. You can lower it to like 5 and then it'll be less laggy. I'm just gonna end it early so we can see because that's gonna take a while on this system. So you can see the it returns all the items here. So every single item is in here with the name right here, and then prices are here. This is the average price, user value, user your value change, and then demand is right here. And then there's also the item endpoint. So the name it's going to switch to ID based in the High API 7, but right now it's just by the actual name. So let's choose one of these that fits. Let's just do Azure Empress. And then you want to make sure that the URL is escaped like that. So just start the server again and then navigate to the endpoint. And this will scrape until it finds it. So there you go. Right now it's just set to return the value right now. But in that version 7, it's going to give the same kind of information as the items endpoint, I'm sorry. So, yeah, that's pretty much how to set up the Royal High API. If you have any questions, you can you apply to this post or wherever this is posted, or send me a message on Twitter. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.